Hello everybody, this is my first ever video and welcome to REALSOLE. I will be your host, the young boy, and today I'm here to show you a deal with the sneakers that I got off on StockX for below 35 bucks. Let's get into it. So, spoiler alert, you already know what shoe it is. It is a Nike Air Jordan 1 retro low, and it comes with a classic Air Jordan 1 box off on StockX for a way low price that I never expected that I could get it for. If you can guess how much I got it for, you can leave a comment down below. A lucky guess, I might be giving something away, I don't know yet, but I'll surely do something. But yeah, this is my first video. If you have any opinions and any other stuff like tips, you can help me out. We all gonna be a family, so we all look after our family. I know there's a lot going on in the world right now due to the pandemic, the crisis, but if you have any passion that you want to do, I guess this is the best time to do it. Let me get back to what I'm here to do. This channel is a REALSOLE channel, and I'm here to share with you REALSOLEs. So I'll cover my address. This is how much, I don't know if the camera can focus, but can you see it? Well, if you can't see, I'm gonna just put a picture while I'm editing. But if you can see, but that's how much I got it for, including tax and everything. Just for that, just see the receipt down here. Let's get into the shoe. And this shoe is like GS exclusive. So if you got like wider foot, a big foot, size I don't know if they have the size, but I'm guessing. But let me just use a size 7 GS, and personally it fits me because I'm size 7, so that makes me like fit in size 7 GS too. So yeah, here's the shoe. I got it from StockX. The 2 pair shoe, like this suede is a premium suede. Like, I don't know why this shoe is so underrated, or why Jordan brands didn't put in more work into it. This is the StockX tag right here, Authenticate, verified. So let's go into it. And it's a normal classic Air Jordan 1 silhouette. On the back of the heel, you got this Air Jordan, on the heel, and there's not much going on. The midsole is all white, the outsole is white, swooshless. One thing you should notice about the shoe, that's why I like the shoe, like it's swooshless. It has more like a Prada, Louis Vuitton kind of feel to me. Think about like grass, like a field grass, and yeah. And on the tongue, you got the Nike with the swoosh mark on it. And one thing, the lace, the tip of the lace, got this like a metallic tip on it. I don't know if you can see it. You can call it tip on it. Same goes to this. So yeah, this is my first ever video. If you like it, tell me, man. Tell me like what you feel about the unboxing and the shoe. What I need to work on, what I need to do better, stuff like that. And that will be all for today.